Hold on. Dude, I heard something flapping around and I was like, oh shit. Alright, I forgot to strap my helmet, so we just have to take care of that. But what is going on, boys? We are back filming another video with the crew. We got Cole, Mr. One Way Rides over here, and we got Melio right here with his girl. But we're heading to a little coffee and cars. Should be a fun little time together. I haven't rode with the crew in a little minute. So it's been a little bit of a minute since I posted. I was down with COVID, so sick, dude, for about a week and a half. But I'm feeling a bit better now. If I cough a lot, I'm sorry. I still have like this lingering cough going on, but yeah, I don't know how much talking I'm gonna be able to do because every time I talk, I want to cough. Prime example. But yeah, so I was down with COVID, and then I just have a lot going on with work and stuff, but we're back on the bikes today. Winging it. None of us are running GPS. I know I can run GPS on this bike, but I have to go out of race pro mode, which I don't want to do because fun stuff. It's not really. Tuesday. That guy's like asleep in his car. His seat's like all the way back. Special team, special plays. Dude, Sketch, Jinxie, and Queso are like taking over the world of like streaming. And there's parts of that, but Sketch came out of nowhere, and I didn't know this until recently, but he lives like 20 minutes from me. time is someone gonna come over? I don't know which one. I think, yeah. Oh, we are full winging it, boys. Yeah, but I'm gonna do a full in-depth video of my bike and how much it costs. That's coming up soon, but yeah, I did get some new lever guards. I'm sure y'all can see them in the video. Love them. Been wanting them for a long time. And then I did get new rear sets, which I'm super happy about. But like I said, this will be a video in the future. I don't know if he flipped me off or he pointed at me. Either or. Fuck you. 610 to I-10 to 769A. I think I memorized that correctly.
Oh, if you want to kick a fat kid at Kmart, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, what the fuck? I just got a tire pressure light. It's my rear tire.
Yeah, it does go on.
I have a flat. Oh, it's going down. Oh shit, okay. Yeah. Well, boys, I think that's gonna cut this ride short because we have a flat. Whoa, Jesus Christ. Oh, can't have a fun weekend, man. It's so annoying. Well, that's gonna be like another 200 bucks. These tires are literally brand new, dude. Like they have like 200 miles on them.
The only thing I propose is go to a gas station and connect it to the hose and see what it's actually on.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't look flat. It doesn't look like
It feels flat. When I was riding the whole way here, it was like sliding. Alright, boys, well, I was able to plug the tire. My parents came and saved the day with a plug kit, but there's no more riding hard for today because I don't want to ride hard with a plug. But we're heading to a Cycle Gear right now to hopefully pick up a tire and then get this thing fixed so I can ride tomorrow. But yeah, it's a shitty situation, but I'm glad it happened the way it did. So yeah.